Puti! Hi mga ka-ALBUENTURES! For this video, I'll be showing you the unboxing of my new phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So from S8 Plus that I bought last 2017, so it's been 4 years already. Actually, this phone is still okay, it's working. The only problem that I'm encountering with it right now is the storage capacity. It has only a 64 GB internal memory. So actually, if not with this problem, I will not be deciding to buy a new one. So I'm not an iPhone user, so I'm choosing from Samsung phone. I was choosing from S21, S21 Ultra, and then this Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So from the reviews that I watched from YouTube and the recommendation from my friend, I was convinced to choose the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I am not really that techy person, so I choose this phone because I think it suits my needs. Since I'm not into gaming, I'm only into taking pictures and videos. What I really like about this phone are the following. It has a 256 GB storage capacity. It has a RAM of 12 GB. It has a micro SD slot and dual SIM slots. And since I love to take photos and videos, so I think it's perfect for me because it has up to 108 megapixels camera resolution and 8K video resolution. And one more thing is that the phone is 5G capable. I think those things are only I need basically. So let's just have take a look of what are inside the box. Of course, it's the phone. And then the other things inside are the charger, the Type-C cable, the headset, and the extra earplugs.
The new phone of Mr. Reynald Albuen. Finally, he got a new one. Ha? Grabe. Dinectate.
Wala ba nalalakad ako?
Oh, hindi, ayoko na. Nagbago na nga. Dalian mo. Mag-i-intro ang dalian mo. Nakikita na yung ibang. Ayan. There you have it. The new. Basta, may bago siyang phone. Yun lang. Yeah! Wow! Yes! May bagong stand. China oil. Saan yung nakapark? Yan. Ipasok mo naman yung chan mo. Ipasok mo naman yung chan mo. Hindi ka naka... Ayan po yung mga yayamanin naming friends. Ito pong naka-yellow na yan. Ano po yan? Yan. Ang ganda naman ng color ninyo. Kayo na. So, ito pong, ano bang color ni Trump? Yan, diba? Puchang pink. China oil. Hindi pala nagrarun itong kanina pa. Yan. kilig. Yan. Yan, baka naman pakakaganito pa ako ng mga... Yes, baka. Yes, sama. Yan. Yung naka-yellow po, ano talaga yun? Hello waist kasi. Sama.
Hi guys, we're now going to unbox the new phone. Tada!
Wow!
Actually, kumain ko sa solution. Dalawa lang kami dito. Wala mo sa $14. Ay, ito na siya. Ganda. S21 Ultra.
Huwag mo na kung pulo. Pulo.
Ang ba ito? May seal pa siya.
So, dito pinalaman yung seal. Seal. Seal? Seal. Sinilan yung nakuha ang bakas. Ito po,
Ito siya.
kasama pa dito.
Dapat kinagano. Sino mo ng phone?
Para dito naman ako nakaganon. Bakit yung isa dito? Thank you.
There's ice latte.
Are you working here?
Yes.
Ah, okay. I thought you're a customer also. You own this one? You own this? You're the owner? Mashallah.
Here's the charger. Pero pareho pa rin yung charger, magulang pa rin. Ano type 1000? Type C?
Ganun pa rin. Yung kung anong color ng skin mo.
lighting.
Paano ka?
Puputi! Live.
Tasig yung gulong. Hindi ka makapagkita.
Sinuturo ko sa kotse.
Tayo na. Sir.
Gulong na ako. Hindi na nag-download ko may iTunes o meron ng automatic dito?
Meron tayo.
Saan dito?
May-
Baka Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.